everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to drive as a new driver. In this video, I'll be going over 6 simple steps that will help you drive as a new driver. Now, how do you classify a new driver? Well, it can be someone that has had their license for a day, for a month, or even for a year, or even for 2 years. It all depends on your driving experience and your comfort level. But if you think that you're a new driver, then this is a video for you. If you know a new driver or someone that you think is a new driver, then by all means share this video with them because this is the video for them. Let's get right to the 6 simple steps. Step number 1 is know your surroundings before you start the car. So I'm going to be going over before and after in this video. Know your surroundings before you start the car. That means that before you actually get into your car, just take a walk around your car. Take a quick walk. Make sure that you know what's going on around your car. And also take a quick look before you actually start the car. You want to look around behind the car, beside the car, in front of the car. Know what's going on in that parking lot or on that road or in that driveway or whatever the case is. But know your surroundings. That will greatly decrease the likelihood of an accident occurring, especially towards the beginning of your drive. And more importantly, it'll start you off on the right foot. Okay. Step number 2, the second simple step, is get rid of distractions before you start the car. Once again, I'm going to use before and after. So before you start the car, take your phone, put it on Bluetooth mode, set up a playlist so you're not fiddling around with the radio stations, put your phone on vibrate, whatever the case is, get yourself comfortable, set up your seat, your mirrors, blah, blah, blah. You really want to get rid of distractions before you start the car, before you start driving, okay? So before you start the car, get yourself set up to not be distracted. Now, between steps 2 and 3 is start the car. So you're ready to start the car once you've known your surroundings and you've eliminated all distractions. Start the car. That brings us to step number 3, which is set up your driver position after you've started the car. So once you start the car, you're going to let it warm up for a quick minute. You've already set up your mirrors, hopefully, and got rid of distractions, but you want to set up your driver position. That means your seat, your steering wheel, your pedals, and then possibly your mirrors if you need to make any minor adjustments. You don't want to be doing this on the fly while you're driving, so set it up before you start driving, okay? And that's step number 3. Step number 4 is going to be get safety at the front of your mind before you start driving. So before you actually start driving, take a quick 10-20 seconds and just think, listen, self, I'm operating this heavy vehicle at a high rate of speed, because even if you're going 20-30 kilometers an hour, when you're moving something that weighs several thousand pounds, that's a high rate of speed. You're literally moving this projectile, okay? And I don't want to scare you, but I really want you to realize how important it is to think with safety first. So think, self, I am moving this vehicle at a high rate of speed, this heavy vehicle at a high rate of speed. Let me make sure that I am safe on this drive. And if you think that, it'll be more likely to be a reality than if you were to just start driving, okay? So now you're ready to start driving, and then we're gonna move on to step number 5. Once you've started driving, you wanna demonstrate your driving skills after you've started driving. So as you start driving, all of those skills that you've practiced over the years, you wanna demonstrate those skills. Your ability to stay centered in the lane, your lane change procedure, your procedure for turning right and left, 3-point turns, proper following distance, braking smoothly, blah, blah, blah. Demonstrate all of those driving skills once you've started driving, which leads us to step number 6, which is the final step, and that is slowly get out of your comfort zone. Now, when you're a new driver, you want to stay in your comfort zone. Don't just jump on the highway, or don't just drive on these roads that you don't know what to do while you're driving on them. That's actually not a great idea, but you want to slowly get out of your comfort zone, meaning the first trip that you take, stay on the roads that you know. The next trip, maybe go just a little bit further to a road that you don't know. The next trip, if you're used to driving 50 kilometers an hour, find a street that allows you to drive 60 kilometers an hour, where the speed limit is 60 instead of 50. And then keep getting out of your comfort zone slowly. That's how you become a great driver. Listen, everybody that gets their license is a good driver. You need to be a good driver to get your license, but there are only a small percentage of great drivers on the road, and I want you to be a great driver. That's why I'm telling you how to drive as a new driver in this video. And that's basically it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.